Hello friends. In this video, I am going to discuss about analytics application for a digital supply chain. As we know, we are discussing about various emerging technologies and how they contribute it in achieving business excellence. So analytics is one of them. So let us see where we are looking for capturing the data and analyzing the data to achieve business excellence. So the various factors or the focus areas which we have to really consider in designing, developing, implementing analytics application is planning, execution, and analytics. We have to think, we have to plan what are those areas which we want to consider, which we want to use it for our better decision making, which are the priority areas. And this will vary from organization or a customer or a company to company. But normally, as we are saying it, it starts with demand planning and demand visibility, because that's a starting point for every business and which is becoming more and more important during this pandemic situation, because there are so much of a market uncertainties are there. So demand visibility are the customers' requirement, customers' expectations, customers forecasting what is the products or services which they are expecting it, how you are applying this intelligent marketing tools to capture the data and analyze the data. So this is what is becoming more important. So in the planning area, which we should really look at it, is the first thing in there. Once you have done some estimate, some forecasting, then you have to think about the support ecosystem. That means where are your warehouses, where they are located, how much inventory you are going to carry, about the different products, how you are going to distribute it, what are the distribution routes are there, what are the logistics, that is transportation which you are going to have it to support to the customer's requirements. And finally, how that inventory visibility is available for all those decision makers, your planning team and execution teams and all, so they can support customers' requirements. And all this requires a cost. So there is a cost for storage into warehouse, there is a cost in distribution, there is a cost in transportation, there is a cost involved in carrying the inventory also. So these are the factors needs to be considered. So when I say at a planning stage, these are the things which we should really look at it. Then comes the execution. So you start with the demand planning and then come to the execution. You need suppliers and spend analysis. Spend analysis is also a tool for optimizing the purchase cost. As we know, maybe 40% is the material cost in present scenarios. So achieving the best purchase rates and minimum inventory, or plan the procurement as to support to your operation plan. So this is becoming an important. So when you go to the execution, these are the factors which we have to consider here. Then comes the manufacturing analytics. You have a plant, you have to monitor the performance, you have to see that inventory or the material is passed with a minimum storage time at a shop floor level, and that improves your plant performance, quality data, quality cost is also a consideration, operational efficiency, and then finally the network performance. Now you have a technology which is capturing the data, you have a mobility, you have a connecting to clouds. So these are all are to be required. So, and then finally that analytics has to work it out. No? You need to work out the profitability for a customer order or profitability for a product, profitability of the business which you are doing it with the customer, profitability of a particular product support in a geography, then various operation. Maybe sometimes you may not have a sufficient plant capacity, so you get your products manufactured from somebody, you outsource it, so your contractors are also supporting it. How is their performance? Is there any rejection? Is there a lag between plan and actual execution or the quantities which are then supported? Inventories you are carrying at so many various locations. Then there are many concepts are coming up like vendor managed inventories also. So all those factors needs to be considered. This is what it is called analytics, and these are the analytics application. So what I'm trying to mention it over here, that what are those different factors which we should really consider it in working it out analytics into supply chain management. And this data, when you put it onto key performance indicators and then start doing a comparison, will help you to bridge up those gaps and monitor those performances, and can also lead you for a better decision making and improving into organization performance. Hope I've been able to share the concept of analytic applications into supply chain. If you need more information, feel free to contact us. Please do subscribe our channel, because you will also constantly get updates onto various these technologies and all. Do share your feedback so that we'll be able to help you with a better information, better knowledge sharing. My contact details are there. Thank you. Bye.